Hi folks, me again. Time for another episode of my vlog here on Generation X Tech. And what we're going to look at today is the trade-up opportunity that GoPro are offering. Basically, if you're in the UK, you get £100 off a new GoPro Hero 8 if you send in an old digital camera, as long as it cost more than £100 originally. That's the idea. So what you do is you just fill in all your details, and then they send you the label to print off. You package up your camera, send it in, they take your payment, and then send you a brand new GoPro in its place. At least that's the theory. Now, I've got to say I was quite nervous when I went in for this, because if you look at Trustpilot on GoPro, then they've got a very bad rating. Look here, I wish I could give less than 1 star. I decided to do the upgrade program and I haven't received it. Absolutely useless at resolving issues, absolutely useless customer services. So I thought, oh my god, have I done the right thing by sending my old perfectly good camera to them, only to end up with problems. Well, as it is, I think people tend to go on sites like this just to have a rant, because as we see up here, it's unclaimed by GoPro. So GoPro are not running this off their own back. They're not inviting their customers to leave reviews on this site. So if you are a happy customer, then the chances are you're not going to put a review on here. So people are just going on here because they've had a problem and they want other people to know about it. So I sent off my old Samsung camera last Tuesday, and today is the following Thursday, so 9 days later, and a parcel arrived. So far I can't really see that there's any problem. The only slight issue I had was the silence, because I could see that the camera had been received with the UPS tracking service, but then I didn't really get any other communication then until it was shipped 5 days later. So I was a little bit nervous during that point. As soon as I got confirmation that payment had been taken and it had been shipped, then I was a lot happier, and it arrived today. Right, so here it is. Let's just hope that everything's all present and correct. So far so good. Plastic packaging here. I'll go on the eco brick. There we go. Very small, very nice, very compact. First challenge is to get this little fake screen off. There we go. Now, the trade-in deal doesn't come with an SD card, but I got one anyway. £23 or something off Amazon. Can't grumble at that. Right, so just stick that on like that. Oh, there we go. And it's booted up. So for me, the trade-in process has been pretty good. But then I guess the proof of the pudding is in the eating now, isn't it? Actually make sure this thing works and does as it's supposed to. So I'm pleased to report that there's no problems at all with the new GoPro. It works. I'm recording this on it, so there's absolutely no issues with it at all. So I've got no hesitation in recommending the GoPro trade-up program. If you've got an old digital camera that you don't use anymore, package it up, send it in. They'll give you £100 off a new GoPro Hero 8, and you should receive it within 7 to 10 days of sending the old camera off. See you again soon, and I'll be putting my new GoPro to good use.